Wrapping it up, the art of using newspaper. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very practical phrase, wrap with newspaper. Whether you're packing for a move, sending a parcel, or just storing items, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. So, let's unwrap the meaning together and see how it's used in everyday English. Wrap with newspaper refers to the action of covering or encasing something with sheets of newspaper. Newspapers, due to their wide availability and cushioning effect, have been traditionally used for wrapping items. This method is cost-effective and eco-friendly, providing protection against scratches, dust, and minor impacts. It's especially common in packing fragile items for moving or shipping, where the extra layer of paper serves as a protective barrier. Newspaper is more than just a medium for news. It's a versatile material for wrapping. Here's why. Cost-effective. It's a budget-friendly option compared to other wrapping materials. Recyclable. Newspaper is recyclable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Availability. It's readily available in most households. Protection. Provides good protection against scratches and minor impacts, especially for glassware and ceramics. Wrapping with newspaper is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. 1. Choose the right size of newspaper sheets according to the item's size. 2. Lay out the newspaper flat on a surface. 3. Place the item in the center of the newspaper. 4. Fold the newspaper around the item, ensuring complete coverage. 5. Secure the wrapping with tape to prevent it from unwrapping. Remember, for extra protection, you can layer multiple sheets of newspaper around the item. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, wrap with newspaper, and its practical applications. Wrapping items with newspaper is not only an art of packing but also a step towards more sustainable living. So, the next time you're moving or sending something fragile, consider reaching for that stack of newspapers. Thank you for watching, and remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.